So I've got some cracking on this inside corner in a couple places around my fireplace. So in the summertime, they're not there at all. So I freaked out about it for a while, and then I just realized it's the wood contracting right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that today. The first thing you're going to do is just sand it down with 120 grit. And I just made sure that was really, really smooth. And then we're just using this drywall joint compound just to fill in that little area. So just spread it on both sides, pull it out, and then you're going to want to kind of go over it again and just kind of add a little bit of texture to that. And then you're going to let it dry I let it dry for 2 hours. And then you're just going to sand it down with 220 grit sandpaper and paint it. So I don't know if this is going to hold up. I mean, it seems like it worked from the after, but I'll keep an eye on it and see if this holds up. But looks pretty good right here. I don't see any of the cracking. Now, whether or not it will re-crack or not, I don't know. I'll keep y'all posted. If it does, I've got more steps to try to fix that. But I stopped about right here. And then the rest of it, I need a taller ladder to get up to because I was pretty scared standing on the one that I was on. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.